A modern stealth aircraft can look huge on radar one moment and then shrink to something closer to a metal bird from another angle, which is why shape matters almost as much as speed. Stealth also is not one thing at all. It includes aircraft built to sneak in, watch, strike, jam, and even fly without a pilot. In this video we cover stealth fighter, stealth strike fighter, stealth attack aircraft, stealth bomber, stealth reconnaissance aircraft, stealth unmanned combat air vehicle, stealth intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance drone, stealth flying wing demonstrator, stealth carrier-based strike aircraft, stealth multi-role fighter. If you want every major type broken down in one place, subscribe. We do this for everything. A stealth fighter is built mainly to defeat other aircraft while staying hard to detect. Its shape uses angled surfaces and carefully aligned edges to bounce radar energy away from the radar set, while special coatings and hidden engine faces reduce the return even more. Inside weapon bays let it carry missiles without hanging them in the airflow where radar can see them. In the real world, aircraft like the F-22 used this design to enter dangerous airspace first and clear the sky. Pilots often rely on sensors and data links more than raw eyesight, which leads naturally to the next type. A stealth strike fighter blends air-to-air fighting with precision attack on ground targets, making it one of the most flexible stealth types. It works by pairing low observable shaping with sensors that can map the ground, track threats, and guide weapons from inside internal bays. That lets it slip closer before releasing bombs or missiles, then defend itself if enemy fighters appear. The F-35 is the best-known example, and it serves from land bases and ships in several countries. Its software and sensor fusion are as important as its shape, which brings us to aircraft built even more directly around attacking targets on the ground. A stealth attack aircraft is focused first on hitting defended targets rather than winning dogfights. It uses low radar visibility, careful route planning, and precision weapons to strike command centers, air defenses, bridges, or hardened sites before the enemy fully reacts. The classic example is the F-117, which looked unlike almost any other jet because its faceted shape was designed around early stealth math. In combat, F-117s flew over Baghdad on the opening night of the 1991 Gulf War and hit some of the most protected targets. From there, stealth scales up from single-target raiders to aircraft made to carry far heavier loads. A stealth bomber is designed to carry a large weapon load over long distances while remaining difficult to track. Most use broad blended shapes, often a flying wing, because that layout hides vertical surfaces and smooths the radar signature. Internal bays hold bombs and missiles, and careful engine placement helps mask heat and radar reflections. The B-2 Spirit is the best-known example, able to fly intercontinental missions and strike many targets in one sortie. A bomber this expensive and rare can replace waves of older aircraft on the first night of a war, which leads to stealth aircraft built not to bomb, but to see. A stealth reconnaissance aircraft is built to gather information inside heavily defended airspace without giving away its presence. Instead of focusing on weapons, it carries cameras, radar, and electronic sensors that can watch movement, map terrain, or locate enemy systems. Stealth helps it get close enough to collect sharper, more useful data than satellites or distant aircraft might provide. Publicly known examples are scarce because many programs stay secret, but aircraft such as the retired RQ-3 Darkstar concept show the goal clearly: invisible eyes over dangerous territory. Once pilots are removed entirely, stealth becomes even more flexible in the next category. A stealth unmanned combat air vehicle, or UCAV, is a combat drone designed to strike targets while remaining hard to detect. Because there is no pilot on board, designers can shape the aircraft more freely and accept missions that would be extremely risky for a crewed jet. It works much like a stealth strike aircraft, using internal weapons, low observable shaping, and remote control or high levels of automation. Demonstrators such as the X-47B and Neuron proved that stealth drones can take off, navigate, and attack with serious precision. That same low-profile design is also useful when the mission is watching, rather than shooting. A stealth intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance drone is built to quietly observe, track, and collect signals over defended areas for long periods. It works by combining a low radar shape with sensors such as electro-optical cameras, infrared systems, and receivers that listen for radio or radar emissions. Since it does not need to carry a pilot or heavy weapons, it can devote more space to fuel and sensors. The RQ-170 Sentinel became famous after one was captured in Iran in 2011, revealing a design the public had barely seen before. Many stealth aircraft begin as experimental ideas, which is where the next type fits in. A stealth flying wing demonstrator is an experimental aircraft used to test the shapes, materials, and control systems that make very low visibility possible. The flying wing layout is ideal for stealth because it removes the tail surfaces that often reflect radar strongly, but it is also harder to control, so these aircraft help engineers solve that problem. Programs such as Tacit Blue, Have Blue, and Bird of Prey were never meant for large-scale service, yet they changed military aviation. Tacit Blue looked almost awkward, but its tests helped prove that unstable, unusual shapes could still fly safely. Some of those lessons moved straight onto ships with the next type. Stealth carrier-based strike aircraft is designed to do stealth missions from an aircraft carrier, which adds a whole new level of difficulty. It must survive catapult launches, arrested landings, salty air, tight deck handling, and still keep a low radar signature. That means folding wings, strong landing gear, and compact design all have to work without ruining the stealth shaping. The X-47B showed this could be done when it performed autonomous catapult launches and arrested landings at sea, a major milestone for naval aviation. From there, the final category is the broad modern class that combines many of these roles in one aircraft. A stealth multi-role fighter is the all-purpose version of stealth aviation, built to switch between air combat, strike, reconnaissance, and support tasks in the same campaign. It works by combining low observable design with powerful sensors, data links, and mission software that let one aircraft act like several older specialized types. Jets such as the J-20, Su-57, and F-35 all aim at this idea, though they emphasize different strengths. In real operations, multi-role stealth aircraft can scout ahead, share target data, launch weapons, and guide other forces at the same time. That is why stealth has evolved from a niche trick into a whole family of aircraft roles.